Hello everyone, welcome to our short guide on React Native, the powerful framework for building cross-platform mobile applications. In this video, we'll explore what React Native is, its key features, and how you can start working with it. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is React Native? Well, it's an open-source framework developed by Facebook for building mobile applications using JavaScript and React. Think of it as a magic bridge between JavaScript and the native components of iOS and Android. With React Native, you write code in JavaScript, and it compiles to native code for each platform, giving you the best of both worlds, the ease of web development and the performance of native apps. React Native's architecture is built around three main layers. JavaScript layer. This is where you write your application logic using JavaScript. React Native provides a set of APIs and components that allow you to interact with native features and UI elements. Bridge layer. The bridge is responsible for communication between the JavaScript code and the native code running on the device. It ensures smooth data flow and enables React Native to access native functionality. Native layer. This layer consists of platform-specific code written in Java for Android and Objective-C or Swift for iOS. It handles rendering UI elements and performing tasks that require direct interaction with the device's hardware. Looking to bring your app idea to life? Need expert guidance in software development? At Vizarsoft, we're your go-to destination for all your software development and consulting needs. Whether you're a startup or an established business, we've got the expertise to turn your vision into reality. Ready to take the next step? Contact us today and let's bring your app ideas to life together. Now let's talk about some of the key features that make React Native so powerful. Native performance. React Native allows you to build truly native mobile apps, ensuring high performance and a smooth user experience. Reusable components. With React Native, you can create reusable UI components, making development faster and more efficient. Hot reloading. One of my favorite features. With hot reloading, you can instantly see the changes you make to your code reflected in the app, speeding up the development process. Third-party plugin compatibility. React Native has excellent support for third-party plugins, allowing you to easily integrate native functionality into your app. Large community and ecosystem. Thanks to its popularity, React Native has a vast community of developers and a rich ecosystem of libraries and tools to help you build amazing apps. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about how you can start working with React Native. Install node.js and npm. First, make sure you have node.js and npm installed on your system. You can download them from the official website. Install React Native CLI. Next, install the React Native CLI globally using npm. This will give you access to the React Native command line tools. Create a new React Native project. Use the React Native init command to create a new React Native project. This will set up the basic structure for your app. Run your app. Finally, run your app on either an iOS to check out our other videos for valuable tips and strategies to help grow your online presence. Or React Native. Stay tuned for more content. And until next time, happy selling. A brief overview of React Native, its key features, and how to get started with it. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with mobile app development, React Native is definitely worth exploring. Thanks for watching.